टॉप क्वालिटी और कंसिस्टेंट परफॉर्मेंस के लिए सिर्फ सिल्वर पंप्स एंड मोटर्स, नाम याद रखना।
Namaskar. Good morning to everybody. I welcome Honorable Prime Minister, Governor of Gujarat, Chief Ministers of the states, other ministers from India, and those joining us from the other countries, investors, stakeholders, and media friends. We are here today at the 4th edition of Global Renewable Energy Investor Meet and Expo, celebrating the clean and re-energizing power of renewables. The visionary leader who has propelled India to a leading position in global renewable energy sector, whose leadership has been pivotal in achieving India's renewable energy goals, is Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji. It is my honor to welcome him today at this event. PM Modi ji is the driving force behind this transformation, showing both courage and innovation in conceptualizing and realizing our nation's renewable energy ambitions. India is a global leader in RE because of the Prime Minister Modi's vision. Today, India is not only the 5th largest, but also the world's fastest growing economies. The growth is driving an unprecedented demand for the energy. And we are committed to meeting this demand sustainably. This progress is a result of the leader's vision and the bold determination to run that vision into reality. Prime Minister Modi ji gave this sector path and direction, scale and skill, courage and conviction, passion and purpose. And let me explain the passion and the purpose in RE sector with the shloka in Rig Veda. Atmano mokshartham jagad hitaya cha. It means वैयक्तिक के लिए मोक्ष. अंग्रेजी में बोलना है तो it means for the own liberation, for the welfare of the world. Despite having one of the lowest per capita emission in the world, India is championing the cause of clean energy under the Pradhan Mantri's leadership. This is for the benefit of the world because we truly believe in Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. The world is one family. As the Chief Minister of Gujarat, Modi ji played a pivotal role in advancing the renewable energy. Under his guidance, Gujarat emerged as a front runner in green energy sectors. Upon becoming the Prime Minister of India, he has made it into a global mission of creating a cleaner and more sustainable world. And PM Modi ji achieved this by making use of ancient wisdom. युगो पुराना का ज्ञान केवल एक युग पुरुष ही समझ सकता है. Bhagwan Shri Krishna taught us the conservation of environment through Govardhan Puja, and Chanakya's Arthashastra advocates penalizing those who harm the nature. The Rig Veda says that life is rooted in Panchabhuta, 5 elements of the nature, and it is our duty to conserve them. Hymns are dedicated to the sun. Gayatri mantra is dedicated to Savitri, a solar god. Even today, crores of Indians start their day with Gayatri mantra and Surya Namaskar. Surya, Vayu and Varuna are the custodians of our energy. Similarly, Rishi Agastya wrote the method of producing the Udana Vayu, that is hydrogen, in his book Agastya Samhita. Written thousands years ago, it explains how to construct an electric battery to split water into hydrogen and oxygen. Our profound respect for the nature continues to guide our modern role in pioneering the global energy sustainability efforts. Under Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji, India has made significant strides in the renewable sector. Installed RE capacity has increased from 75.5 gigawatt in 2014 to 2008 gigawatt, which is growth of 175%. Total RE generation increased from 193.50 billion units to 360 billion units, of the growth of 86%. International Solar Alliance launched and has more than 100 signatories countries. India achieved the most targets of the nationally determined contribution NDC well in advance. 40% of the power installed capacity from the non-fossil fuel-based energy sources achieved in 2021, 9 years ahead, reduced the emission intensity of India's GDP by 33% in 2019, 11 years before the target. India's solar energy capacity has increased 33 times with PM Suryaghar Muft Bijli Yojana. Prime Minister Modi ji initiated one of the world's largest schemes in the renewable energy. More than 3.5 lakh people have been benefited from this scheme. This morning only, Modi ji interacted with the beneficiaries of PM Suryaghar. We have received overwhelming commitment from the states and UTs as well as developers, manufacturers, financial institutes to support our goal of 500 gigawatt by 2030. Developers have committed additional 570 gigawatt, total 570, we are already having 200 plus. Manufacturers have committed additional manufacturing capacities of 340 gigawatt of solar modules, for which we have given PLI. 240 gigawatt in solar cell, in that also we have given PLI. 22 gigawatt in wind turbines, 10 gigawatt in electrolyzers, and banks and financial institutions have committed to an additional $386 billion, that is in Indian rupees 32.45 lakh crore of financing by 2030. This is the speed, scale and scope with which New India is moving towards its vision, Vikasit Bharat. Decades ago, our freedom fighters defended our land with valor. Today, Prime Minister Modi ji has channeled the same spirit into this battle against the climate change. Today, our weapons are wielded with the solar panels powered by the wind turbines. I invite all stakeholders to invest in India's vibrant and rapidly growing RE sector. Together, let us turn this vision into reality and harness the immense potential that India offers. Once again, I welcome you all. Especially, I welcome Honorable Prime Minister, who is the inspirational force behind all this. Thank you. Dhanyavad. Jai Hind.